I don't think it's a stretch to say where we are today, if we really thought about it in 2018 and 19, that you couldn't have said, okay, this could happen. And the people that did, probably are doing okay today. In CEA, it's different. CEA is already super tight margins. It's automotive like. You're managing, per tomato, per cucumber of margin. Their cost control, their investment in capex, it's all so measured and so exact. And that industry continues to grow at a really nice pace, but it's big. You're talking about greenhouses in the hectares, not 100,000 square foot indoor grow is a big grow. I mean, that fits in the corner of some of these tomato greenhouses. So, understanding that scale and understanding how exact you have to be in getting to that scale, you can't afford to make a mistake. At
Absolutely.
$4,000 a pound, you can afford to make lots of mistakes.